All too often, our newscasts include stories about shootings involving minors.
Kylie Hill digs into the issue of youth gun violence in Kentucky and speaks with a local school district about its efforts to protect and support students.
It's an alarming statistic. Since 2020, the number of child deaths by a gun has surpassed car accidents and motor vehicle-related deaths, with firearms being the leading cause of death for children under 18 in Kentucky and nationally. That's according to Kentucky Youth Advocates.
We've got to think about, how did that kid get to a place where he or she committed that violent act?
According to data from the Lexington Police Department, there have been 17 homicides to date in 2024, with 10 of those homicides being kids or young adults between the ages of 10 and 29.
There's no question that if a young person is involved in a violent crime, there needs to be consequences and accountability. Frankly, that young person probably needs to be in a secure detained facility, both for his or her safety and for the community. But if that is all we do, then this cycle is going to continue.
It's a tough challenge, knowing what is the best way to approach this issue. But Terry Brooks, the director of Kentucky Youth Advocates, says there are ways to address the problem.
Let's hold kids responsible, but let's do it in a way that gives them a future, doesn't throw them away. We have to make a commitment to prevent kids from experiencing life in a way that contributes to this trajectory.
It's steps like those that Fayette County Public Schools is already taking for their students.
A lot of times we have people who resort to maybe gangs or gun violence because they're looking for a sense of community. And so if we can provide skills in the beginning, those soft skills, before they kind of resort to that area, that's kind of what we want to do, right? Making sure that conflict management skills are taught, making sure that social skills are taught, making sure they know what resources are available, and providing them those safe spaces to say something if they see something concerning. We really try to involve our students and get them involved in mentoring programs within the school, but also help them find some healthy communities and healthy mentoring programs outside of the school. That way when they leave us, they do have something to look forward to.
In Lexington, Kylie Hill, Fox 56 News.